Hey guys, welcome back to Forward Driver's Life. Ever wondered how I control all my lights? Today I'm going to show you the control panel I used for all my lighting needs. I use Auxbeam to control all my lightings and accessories. I added this 8-port control panel after I realized that the initial 6-port control panel was not enough. So now I have a total of 14 ports for the auxiliary connections. And they control the rear locker, radio, backup light, light bars, light cubes, ditch light, driving lights, and fog light. The control panel is hardwired to the starting battery and is also wirelessly connected to my phone through Bluetooth. It's really cool and useful, especially when I'm trying to showcase all the lights I have for YouTube purposes. It made my life much easier by not having to run back and forth between the cabin and the shooting location, so I can just control it from my phone by switching it on and off. You can also customize the backlit color on the actual panel from the app, and the strobe mode. They have toggle, momentary, and strobe. Very useful app.